We'll guide you through how to create an Asana demo video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Asana website and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the project area you want to showcase. A good demo video should highlight key features and workflows, so start by selecting a project that best represents your typical use cases. You can use screen recording software like OBS Studio or Camtasia to capture your screen. Open the software and set it to record your desktop screen. Make sure your microphone is set up if you want to include voice narration. Begin your recording by explaining what Asana is and why it's beneficial for project management. Next, walk through the key features, such as setting up a project, creating tasks, and assigning them to team members. Show how to set deadlines and use tags for better organization. It's also helpful to demonstrate how to use Asana's timeline and calendar views to manage schedules. Don't forget to highlight any integrations you use, like Google Drive or Slack, to show how Asana can fit into your existing workflow. Keep your explanations clear and concise, and try to anticipate any questions your viewers might have. Once you've covered everything, stop your recording and save the file. Now, you can edit the video to add any annotations or effects that might help illustrate your points better. You might want to include a short introduction and conclusion to give your video a professional touch. Finally, upload your edited video to a platform like YouTube or Vimeo to share with your audience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.